Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is SAREX-24. The SAREX-24, that is Search and Rescue Exercise 2024, will begin on 28th November 2024 in Kochi, Kerala, marking the 11th edition of the Indian Coast Guard's National Maritime Search and Rescue Exercise. The theme of SAREX-24 is enhancing search and rescue capabilities through regional collaboration, emphasizing India's commitment to provide timely assistance during large-scale maritime emergencies. Now, before moving on to next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes are now in Noida, Sector 15. Not Mukherjee Nagar. Noida is the new UPSC hub. Mukherjee Nagar nahi, chale Noida. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP, near Noida Sector 15 Metro Station. For location, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call us at 9311 406 440. If you would like our counselors to call you back, please fill out the form provided in the description. Now moving on to key highlights of SAREX-24. Inauguration. Defense Secretary Rajesh Kumar Singh will inaugurate the exercise. Participants, senior officials from government agencies, ministries, armed forces and foreign delegates will participate in workshops, seminars and tabletop exercises on the first day. Sea exercise. On 29th November, a simulated large-scale contingency will be conducted involving 500 passengers on a distressed passenger vessel and a dished civil aircraft with 200 passengers. Technology use. The exercise will demonstrate satellite-aided distress beacons, drones for deploying life buoys, air-droppable life rafts, and remote-controlled life buoys. Now moving on to its strategic importance, the exercise aims to evaluate operational efficiency and coordination among national stakeholders like the ICG, Navy, Indian Air Force and local authorities. It will focus on cooperative engagements with littoral nations and other friendly countries, strengthening India's maritime safety role in the Indian Ocean and the Indo-Pacific. The Indian Coast Guard plays a pivotal role in the Indian Ocean Rim Association, coordinating search and rescue operations and contributing to India's broader SAGAR, that is security and growth for all in the region vision. Now is the time for practice question. Which technology will be demonstrated during the sea exercise? Artificial intelligence, drones for lifebuoy deployment, underwater robotics or satellite communication systems? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.